Hey guys, so this is a recent a recent app I downloaded, and it's kind of awesome, and I love it. It's awesome. So, okay, truck. Maybe I should do this. Ha ha ha. Okay. Dang. Dang. So I really like the ship goes. I'm hilarious. Laugh! Okay, now we are going to play. Bloom. Bloom. Screen. So I think we should make a new Poco la Martilla, lo de que la coca laca. So if I hear background sound and stuff, it's me. I should make a new. I'm sorry. Look for Jolie's green one. There it is. What the hay bale? Oh my god, okay. Maybe I should make a new one. I'm gonna make a new one. It won't let. Oh my god. Dang. Okay. Screen. Let me see if I speak Dutch. Where? Okay. Sir. Well, she basically talks to a boy, so. This my stuff. All the girls get to dance like this. Rock the best, get it up. Downloaded one item. One item. One item. One item. I actually took a photo shoot for my movie that I filmed. It was fun. It was a fun movie that I filmed. It was really, really fun. There's a white, we found a white paint, guys. I hope it's starting soon. I got my dog Eli here say bruh. Beyond shit out there. Okay. I don't freaking care no more. I'm going home. Boom. With your battery, what? Jelly belly, jelly. So y'all are gonna wash me down some air because I feel like it. And I feel like I don't have anything good on my iPad anyway. So what the freaking hell?
He also says he can be helpful backstage. Sound effects. Swabbing the deck. And he's a natural for the aerial ballet. I guess that's it then. He's in.
Dad, I don't want to play this. Forget you. I can do that. It's on command. I can put on command. Cause that's how I'm off. Sir, I think I shall build a llama. Happy llama, sad llama, totally rad llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama. Who is this big llama? Starting up all this drama. It's me, happy llama, sad llama, totally rad llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama. Who is this big llama? Starting up all this drama. It's me, happy llama, sad llama, totally bad llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama. Who is this big llama? Starting up all this drama. It's me. Starting up all this drama. It's me. Happy llama, sad llama, totally rad. I'm rad llama. Rad llama again. Play by table, tail. Eat for everyone. So far 1 million. Wait, weird. What did you say? Downloading or not? I clicked it twice. My goodness, I know what this means. Well guys, sorry guys, but I have to end this video. It was really exciting, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time.